Ready to test your CCSP knowledge? This quick quiz on cloud security will help you find areas to improve. A retail company uses geolocation to detect suspicious logins, but it's triggering alerts for legitimate users. Which of these practices would be the least effective at reducing these false positives? Listen to the options and give the correct answer. A. Implementing multi-factor authentication for logins from unfamiliar locations. B. Using dynamic IP addresses for users to increase flexibility. C. Correlating login attempts with user behavior patterns. D. Allowing users to predefine trusted locations. The correct answer is B. Using dynamic IP addresses for flexibility. While it might seem helpful, dynamic IPs change frequently, making it harder to establish a consistent pattern for legitimate users and potentially increasing false alarms. The other options all provide more controlled ways to verify a user's identity. Question number 2. A multinational corporation is investigating a cloud data breach. Their legal team needs to preserve the chain of custody for evidence. Which of these practices would most likely compromise it? Listen to the options and give the correct answer. A. Recording all actions taken during evidence collection. B. Allowing multiple people to access the evidence without documentation. C. Hashing digital evidence to verify its integrity. D. Using secure storage solutions with controlled access. The correct answer is B. Allowing multiple people to handle evidence without documentation. This directly breaks the chain of custody, as it becomes impossible to track who accessed the evidence and when, making it unreliable for legal purposes. The other options are all established best practices that protect the evidence's integrity. Question number 3. A multinational bank needs to store customer financial data in the cloud while ensuring it stays within specific countries to comply with data residency laws. Which data discovery technique should they use? Listen to the options and give the correct answer. A. Use geolocation tagging to monitor where data is stored and accessed. B. Implement encryption to hide data locations. C. Store all data in one centralized cloud region. D. Rely on multi-factor authentication to secure access. The correct answer is A. Using geolocation tagging. This technique directly tracks the physical storage location of data, which is essential for verifying compliance with laws that mandate data remains within certain borders. Encryption secures data, but doesn't control its location. Centralizing data can violate laws for other regions. And multi-factor authentication only manages access, not storage. Want more practice like this to ace your exam? Head over to www.sectutor.com to check out our exam practice app.